Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Akhtaruজ্জামান, Assistant English Teacher of Satyantala Cholomankate High School. At this moment, I want to give congratulations to all my students and learners who are actually enjoying my class. In before, I have conducted many more classes on online media. Now at this moment, I want to conduct my class about sentence linkers or sentence connector and conjunctions. Sentence linkers and sentence connectors and conjunction. Dear students, you must have to know about these two items or two topics. First, I am to discuss about sentence linker or sentence connector. So, I am to write down the title of discussion for today's class. That is sentence linker, linker or connector. So, sentence linkers and sentence connectors. Dear students, first you have to know about sentence linkers or sentence connectors. Sentence linkers are that type of word. By this word is possible to create or to make a flow of expression between two sentences. This is called sentence linker or sentence connector. Students, I am to repeat this definition. Sentence linker or sentence connector. What is sentence linker or sentence connector? That is by this word which helps to make a expression of flow between two sentences, between two clauses. Then it is called sentence linkers. Dear students, sentence linker having a lot of features or specialties. I am to mention some of features or specialties. Features or specialties. Features or specialties. Features or specialties. A. There are two features or specialties of a sentence linker. Sentence linker always create a flow of expression between two sentences. Number one, flow of expression. Flow of expression between two sentences. Number two, sentence connector or sentence linker always connect two sentences. That is, two sentences is connected by a sentence linker. Two sentences. Two sentences or clauses. Two sentences or clauses. So I want to repeat these two features. Sentence connector having two features or two specialties. Number one, it can having the ability of creating a follow-up expression between two sentences, and it is also used between two sentences or two clauses. So, at this moment, I am to give an example of sentence linker. Examples. Sentence linker. Examples: to and to, full stop, comma, may be used between in sentences. I will give an example. Full stop or comma. Full stop or comma may be used between two sentences. This is an example of sentence connector. What here is called an example of sentence connector. At this moment, I want to utter some name of sentence connector. At this moment, I want to utter some name of sentence connector. Some sentence connector. Some sentence connectors. Thereby, therefore, therefore, indeed, indeed, in fact, for an instance, instance, for an instance, on the contrary, on the contrary, on the whole, finally, finally, actually, actually, naturally, 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 in fact, naturally, besides, only, besides, only, besides, only, of course, dear students, I at this moment have mentioned some connector, sentence connector. Dear students, you must have to know about this sentence connector. I mentioned here, thereby, indeed, in fact, for an instance, on the contrary, on the whole, finally, actually, necessarily, besides, only, of course. These are some mentionable sentence connector. Dear students, if you want to say, if you want to write down, if you want to connect two sentences to independent clause or sentences, then these types of connector can be used to adjust or to make or to join these two sentences or two clauses. Dear students, I am to apply number one example, thereby. Thereby, thereby gives a example, thereby, thereby or therefore, therefore he has done it. Therefore he has done it. This is an application. This is an application of sentence linker. Their sentence linker has been put at the beginning of the sentence. Therefore he has done it. If I want to give another example of second therefore, indeed, indeed he is a good man. In fact, he is considered by everyone. For an instance, or for an example, I am to mention something about this topic. On the contrary, there are many negative aspects of this matter. On the whole, he is a good man. Finally, what we have decided? Can you say? Actually, it is a very critical moment. Naturally, we are immortal. We are mortal. Besides, he has done it. Besides having a lot of toil. Only, only he is the man of active in this institution. Of course, you must go there. I have mentioned one application of this connector or linker, and therefore he has done it. But I have to mention a lot of connectors, and dear student, you must have to apply this connector at the time of your need, at the time of a requirement. So, dear students, I am to say something about conjunctions. About conjunctions. Dear students, do you know what is conjunctions? Conjunctions, I am to conjunctions. Can you estimate what would be its definition? Conjunctions is such type of word by which word is possible to connect or join one word or more than one word, one clause and more than one clause, and it is always put in a sentence. So I want to find out two phases of conjunctions. Number one phases of conjunction. Phases of conjunction. Number one, a conjunction may connect one word, may connect one word, words plus be sentence. I want to mention two important facets of conjunction. Number one, a conjunction may connect one word, more than one words, a plus, more than a plus, and a connect conjunction may be connected, may be stayed in a sentence. But there is a difference between conjunction and connector. Connectors may be applied, may be put more than one sentence, more than one clause, but conjunction is put or situated in a sentence. In a sentence, conjunctions is connected one word, more than one words, one clause, and more than one clauses. But a connector is always does the work of making a follow-up expression between two sentences or two clauses. So, my dear students, I want to at this moment utter some important thing about conjunctions. Conjunctions may Join may attached more than more than one or more than two same type of parts of speech. A conjunction may connect more than one or more than two some type of parts of speech. Now at this moment I am to give its instruction. At this moment I am to give its instruction. Examples. Examples, it can connect a noun to noun. It can connect a noun to pronoun. It can connect a verb to verb. It can connect a adjective to adjective. It can connect a adverb to adverb. It can connect a preposition to preposition. Now, first I am to give its example. It can connect noun to noun, noun to noun. Noun to noun. It can connect noun to pronoun. It can connect verb to verb. It can connect adjective to adjective. It can connect adverb to adverb. It can connect preposition to preposition. Dear students, you must have to notice some important thing about a conjunction. A conjunction may connect sometimes more than one the same parts of speech, more than one the same parts of speech. Now I am to discuss about it. A conjunction may be connected with a noun to noun. I am to give an example. A noun to noun. Abir and Asha are friends. Abir and Asha are friends. Here Abir and Asha are the same type of noun. And here has been put a conjunction that is and. Number two, noun to pronoun. Abir and I were absent. Abid and I are absent. This is noun, this is pronoun, and here has been put a conjunction that is and. Number three, verb to verb. Abid, verb to verb. Abid went to market to buy and sell things. To buy and sell things. Dear students, you must have to notice one important thing. A conjunction may be connected with verb to verb. I have given an example of this type where has been highlighted a verb to verb. Abhi went to market to buy and sell things. Buy and sell. These are two verbs. These are two verbs, and this is an example of conjunctions. In this conjunction, having highlighted verb to verb portion, verb to verb method. Number D, adjective to adjective. Abir, went to market to buy a red and green shirt. Red and green shirt. Red and green shirt. Dear students, you must have to notice one important thing, that is, Abhi went to market to buy a red and green shirt. Red and green. These are two adjectives has been put, has been submitted, and has been attested in this sentence. So adjective must be included in a conjunction. Dear student, you must have to read another example of conjunction, that is verb to adverb. Adverb to adverb. Adverb to adverb. He went there slowly and silently. Slowly and silently. Dear students, you must have to notice one important thing, that is adverb to adverb. A conjunction will be connected with adverb to adverb. He went there slowly and silently. Slowly and silently. These are two adverbs. A conjunction may be connected preposition to preposition. I am to give an example. The bird flies. The bird flies through and through the air. Through and through the air. The bird flies through and through the air. Through and through. These are two prepositions. So in a portion, a double preposition have been put in this sentence. So these are the application of conjunctions. So my dear students, you must have to notice one important thing, that is a conjunction may be connected sometimes the same times of parts of speech double or three times or more than one times. So I have given the examples when a conjunctions may be connected with same types of parts of speech. Its amount would be double or more. I have given its example. Dear students, at this moment I want to Dear students, I want to mention some important thing, that is when a conjunction, some important thing would be put. When a conjunction, some important item would be put. That is and, but, or. These are three items. These are three items of conjunctions. When at would be put, when but would be put, or when or would be put. When any same things or any same idea is needed to express, is needed to apply, at that moment add is put. Add is put as the conjunction. I am to give an example. He and she are brilliant. He and she are brilliant. Yeah, and he and she is the same subject, the same thing. and has been put here as conjunction. But when part would be when part would be put then when any different things are position or condition or opposite thing or position or condition would be expressed by the speaker, then but would be put as conjunction. But would be put as conjunction. So dear students, I have to give an example. He is weak, but he is energetic, brave. Dear students, you must have to notice one important thing. We can take these are two opposite things and these are two different things. And in this case, but has been put as conjunction. So when anything or when any opposite thing or opposite object or direction would be needed to set up, would be needed to express at that moment, but would be as its conjunction. Dear students, when what would be put as conjunction, it or these are not there, these are there, these are there. When it would be needed to express these types of things or these types of expression, then at that moment what would be required to put as connector or conjunction. I am to give an example: do or die. Do or die. If I do, I will not die. If I do, I will not die. If I don't do, I will die. So here has been a confusion. So dear students, at this moment I want to I have come at the last position of this topic. So my dear students, you must have to be attentive to your lessons because all sorts of educational institutions have been stopped by the serious virus named coronavirus. So be careful and be attentive and be punctual to your studies and always keep remain at your home and follow the hygiene, and you must have to be punctual to your studies, and thanks a lot for enjoying my class. Thanks a lot.